My name is Des Holden. I'm a security engineer at King Secure Technologies. I've been an engineer for a number of years now, originally starting in 1987. I've worked at various other companies as well, but as I say, the grass isn't always green. As a systems engineer, my day is mainly made of carrying out routine inspections, emergency breakdowns, faults on various systems, intruder alarms, CCTV and door access systems. A routine inspection can last anything from 30 minutes to 2 or 3 hours, depending on the size of the building and the system. On a routine inspection, I will be testing if the batteries are working, all the detectors are working, signals are being sent to the monitoring station, and that the exterior bell is fully functional. Or it's a CCTV system, I would be making sure that all the images are clear. I might need to clean the cameras or refocus them. I would ensure that the time and date is correct, that the system is recorded, and the playback is functional and giving good images. If it's a monitored system, I would ensure that the monitoring station receives the alarms for all the cameras and the image quality is acceptable. For access control systems, I would need to ensure that all the locks are secure and any readers and emergency release buttons are also working. An emergency call can take up to 4 hours depending on what is required. It's a very varied job, no 2 days being the same, with a vast variety of sites I visit, all having different service needs. It's always nice to see a familiar face when visiting a regular customer. King Secure Technologies offers me leading benefits for being part of the team. I'm rewarded for my effort with bonus pay based on KPIs. All expenses are processed and paid on a weekly schedule, so I'm never waiting to be reimbursed. Parking the van for a job has never been easier, with the help of King Secure Technologies parking cars to outweigh any parking expenses. Both my physical and mental health are covered by Health Shield, being able to access their virtual GP service and their employee assistance program. I can rest easy knowing that if anything ever happens to me, King's Life Assurance Scheme will make sure my family are financially secure. WageStream allows me flexible access to my pay, and its financial wellbeing tools help me manage my finances. Keeping physically fit has never been easier, ever since I swapped from driving to cycling to the office with the help of a Cycle to Work scheme. With the employee benefits platform, I'm able to save money on everything from my weekly food shop to technology products from leading brands. Kings ensure my hard work is recognised with its monthly ambassador programme, with winners earning vouchers that can be redeemed at some of the UK's leading high street and online brands. Working at Kings has given me the flexibility to balance work and family. I'm not just an employee, I'm part of a thriving community of Kings where dedication is recognised and celebrated.